Myself, Shahin. In Philosophical Perspectives of Education, let us know about educational values. Meaning, nature, and scope of educational values. Meaning of value. The question what are values is deceptively simple. The term values has been used variously to refer to interests, pleasure, like, preference, duties, moral obligations, desires, wants, goals, needs, aversions, and attractions, and many other kinds of selective orientations. Moreover, values are perceived differently by different philosophers, which help us to understand the meaning of values. One of the philosopher Person explained that value is an element of shared symbolic system which serves as criterion or standard for selection among the alternatives of orientation which are intrinsically open to a situation. Goldsmith explained that values are principles that guide human behavior in certain ways. Thus, the values are deep-seated psychological constructs that direct our preference to achieve what is good in life. Concept and scope of values. Moreover, values are the global beliefs that derive from our cultural tenets that affect our attitudes, motivation, needs, and perception, and also guide and direct our actions across a variety of situations. As we saw already that the values are the guiding principles that direct our behavior. These principles are self-evident and can easily be validated by any individual. Thus, values are understood as the integral part of personal philosophy of life of human being. Values are core beliefs which guide and motivate attitudes and behavior. Values are answers to the why question. We can keep on asking why questions until we reach a point where we no longer want something for the sake of something else. At this point, we can arrive at a value. Let we know about kinds of values. Subjective versus objective values. Approaches to values. A value is actually the outcome of the relation between subjects and the object. Value judgment depends upon the way the value sees its valuableness. Thus, values can be understood as subjective and or objectives. Subjective values. When a person values an object or a person, he or she projects his or her attitude in favor of the object or a person. This evaluation is called subjective or internal. Objective values. Values are objective while they pre-exist as the evaluator evaluates them. In such cases, value judgments are not influenced by attitudes of a person concerned. They are independent of person's evaluation. The person conducts evaluation of such values by being influenced by their outcome. This evaluation of values is called objective or external. Classification of values. Classification of values are two types. They are instrumental values and intrinsic values. Under instrumental values, there are personal values, social values, family values, cultural values, democratic values, institutional values, and religious values. And under intrinsic values, there are truth, beauty, goodness, peace, bliss, and happiness. Instrumental values. Instrumental values are the values which are instrumental in getting desired ends. In that first one, personal values. Personal values are cherished and practiced by an individual within oneself without any explicit interaction with any other person. Example, hard work and self-discipline. Social values. Social values are cherished and practiced because of our association with others. Examples: tolerance and hospitality. Third, family values. Family values are usually defined as a combination of social ideals, personal attitudes, ideas, and environment derived from our parents or relatives. Example: respect and patience. Cultural values. Cultural values are commonly held standards of what is acceptable or unacceptable, important or unimportant in a community or society. Example: liberty and non-violence. Fifth, democratic values. Democratic values are the fundamental beliefs and constitutional principles of our society. Examples: equality and freedom. Sixth one, institutional values. Institutional values are beliefs that endure over time about conduct or activities. Example: leadership and creativity. Seventh one, religious values. Religious values are nothing but virtues insisted by religions of the world, which always focused on peace and goodness. Example: faith in God and kindness. Intrinsic values. An intrinsic value is used to refer to the value an object has solely by virtue of its intrinsic properties. Example: goodness and beauty. Hierarchy of values. Hierarchy of values conceived according to the schools of philosophy is the guiding principle of curriculum construction, including preparation of textbooks, identifying of teaching methods, inclusions of curricular subjects and co-curricular activities. At last, conclusion. By this, I conclude success should be based on values, and for that, value based education must be imparted in today's institutions. And finally, thank you.